1. Try slow, deep belly breathing. Place your hand on your belly, and inhale deeply as you count to 4. Fill your belly up as you inhale, and try to keep your chest still as you breathe. Hold your breath for a 7 count, then exhale slowly as you count to 8. 2. Try progressive muscle relaxation exercises. Starting from the very tips of your toes, gradually flex and release all of your muscle groups one at a time. Breathe in as you tense your muscles for 5 seconds, then visualize the tension leaving your body as you relax. 3. Escape into your imagination instead of focusing on sleeping. Trying to force yourself to sleep can make you restless. Take your mind off of sleeping and think about something relaxing. 4. Block out unwanted noises. Noise can impact your ability to get to sleep as well as your overall sleep quality. Try listening to a radio program or podcast that's not too engaging to help block out noise distractions such as traffic, as well as worrisome thoughts. Listen to something that is soft-spoken instead of loud, and something you enjoy but not so much that you will stay up just to listen to it. 5. Try meditating to calm your mind and body. Breathe slowly and deeply and visualize soothing imagery, such as clouds, a quiet beach, or a comfortable place from your childhood. Allow your thoughts to wander like passing clouds or rocking waves as you relax your muscles and sink into the bed. 6. Give sleep supplements a shot. There are many sleep supplements available that may help you fall asleep. Before trying a supplement, it's wise to consult your doctor, especially if you have a medical condition, take any medications, or are pregnant or breastfeeding. 7. Get up and do something relaxing if you can't sleep. If you can't fall asleep after 30 minutes, leave your bedroom instead of tossing and turning. Try reading, taking a hot bath, listening to soothing music, or having a light snack. Do the activity for 15 to 20 minutes, or until you start to feel drowsy, then head back to bed.